Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. As you can see, I'm in my Jaguar XJR, and some of you asked me, well, Jeffrey, the problem with the old exotic cars like 2000, like 1999 Bentley or Jaguar XJR, I know it was an expensive car. It was an $85,000 car. But the problem with these old cars, it has only a cassette player and a CD player. That's right. And some of you are wondering, oh, what should I do if I want to have Bluetooth audio? That's right. So now I have my smartphone. Like all of us have smartphones, and we have like MP3 players, and it has Bluetooth and all this 1998 to 2003 Jaguar XJRs, or even Bentley don't even have Bluetooth players, because back then people don't use Bluetooth. I still have a cassette player. As you can see, I'll be back. I'm going to show it to you. That's basically what I have. And with this car, we have a radio, FM radio, AM radio, which was great, a cassette player that is still working, and I have a CD changer in the back, and the CD changer is not working. I need to get a new one. So yeah, we don't have Bluetooth. So if you're wondering what to do when you want to buy an exotic car like this, yeah, the car was expensive car. This car in 2002, I couldn't afford it. It was $85,000. I didn't make that much back then, So what do you do when you buy an old car like this? So what you want to do, you get this device from Amazon. Oh yeah, another thing is, many of you now have smartphones, so you want USB, what do you call that, recharger. The thing about the Jaguar XJR, it comes with, this what do you call it, cigarette lighter, one, and then the cool thing, there's one in the back too for your gas, which is cool. Back then it's really neat. The car is so luxurious, it allows people who sit in the back to yeah, still have a nice mat. I want to keep this car as new as possible. As you can see, the leather interior is still pristine, no tear. It looks like nobody got into a knife fight in this car. It's still really nice, the leather. I'm gonna teach you guys how to take care of the leather. But anyway, yeah, it has two cigarette lighters for people who sit in the back and for people who sit in the front. And yeah, okay, some of you told me, why don't you just get what do you call that, a USB recharger like this one here. I bought one, right here from Five Below. Well, you can recharge your phone, but the thing is, you cannot play your music on your on your stereo system. You can spend like another $200-300 going to Best Buy or stereo store and install a custom what do you call that, Bluetooth receiver. But if your budget is limited, so I said, okay, this thing works just to recharge your phone, but you want to get this device right here. It's only I think it's $25 from Amazon. I'll put the link on it. Is if an FM transmitter as well as Bluetooth recharger and Bluetooth receiver. I can actually talk to my wife when she calls. It's really neat what you do. This is really neat. I'm just gonna plug this in. There you go. And it's really neat. And look at that thing. And this cable come from Five Below for $5. I mean, you can get it from Amazon. I'll give you all the link that you need. Look, check this out. I'm gonna grab my key and turn the car on. Here we go. And we'll see. Oh, there you go. It has a volume control. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this is the volume control. If somebody call, I can switch from music to answering a phone call, which is neat. Like, see that? Bluetooth is connected. What happened is you got you can. What happened? I said that. Whoops. The stereo is awesome. The sound system. Look, I set the frequency to 107.7 megahertz, and on the Bluetooth receiver, I don't know if you can see it, it's 107.7. It will talk to the stereo system, and then when my wife call while I'm listening to music, I can just press this while I'm driving. So it's like hands-free, you know. It's really, really neat. So anyway, yeah, this is really neat. So then you can even recharge your phone right here. It has 2 ports. You know, you can share it with your wife, and you can put this one for your gas, you know, in the back right there. So now you have like, you know, like 4 USB port recharger, and plus Bluetooth and FM transmitter, which allow you to play your music, your smartphone, or you know, iPhone or Android phone, to your Jaguar or Bentley. So yeah, it's really, really nice to have this device. It's just look like this, you know. This is the volume control. You can control it from here, so you don't have to deal with this. So this is where I'm gonna control all the volume. So check this out. See that? It's awesome. And and you can face it this way or that, you know, like that way. You can adjust it to your liking. So I like it this way, like that. So perfect. So when I drive, you know, I rest my arm right here. I can just control stuff, and I can click stuff. So yeah, it's awesome. So yeah, I'll put the link here on the description. Anyway, guys, so this device is really neat. So I'll put the link in the description where you can get it. So yeah, this. Oh, and then another thing you can do, you can put a micro SD card if you wanna play music here, and you can turn it on and off right here. Oh no, this is to change the frequency of the FM frequency. You know, I set it up. You can go down, go up, whatever you want to do. This button right here, and you can turn it off if you don't want to use it, if you don't want to consume the car battery. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you have you bought an exotic old cars like Jaguar, XJR, Bentley, you know, like 1998 to 2003, which do not have like Bluetooth transmitter. So you just get this $25 device and $5 cable. And if you want to expand it for your gas in the back, let's say you want to invite somebody, your friends, to drive in your luxury car, just get this device. It's only $5. But yeah, you convert your old car into a modern car with $30. That's right. So you don't have to spend that much money to convert your. The only problem with this, if you move your phone around, you have to be aware that it will be staticky. You have to make sure that your phone is what? Stay still. Don't move the phone around. Make sure you put it in you know, like I'm using a, what do you call it, a mount that allow my phone to to stay still. Don't let the phone like moving around the floor or the seat, because it's gonna the static problem will come up. So anyway, yeah, this is the only thing I don't like about it. But once you got a mount, a steady mount for your phones, your music player, and then the static problem go away. So anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I need your support. I need your likes for this video. I'm here because of your support, because your subscription, you know. The more you subscribe, the more I'm gonna be able to produce more video. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.